Here in the video, we are going to talk about Vidlii Error Code 521. The error reads, web server is down. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar, and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to access the Vidlii website, but it fails to load and shows this error. According to our research, this is a server-side error, which means the issue is from Vidlii's end and not something you can do to fix directly. Now let's come to troubleshoots for the error. The first thing we suggest is to restart your browser and try again. Once done, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, check if your browser needs an update. If yes, update it and check for the error again. If the error still persists, make sure your internet is working properly. Once confirmed, check for the error again. At last, if the error still persists, then wait for some time and try again. As it is a server issue, it should be resolved soon. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.